Hi everyone. Now these are all the components that I'm gonna combine them together to make a project which is matching my code in the computer called Weather Spy. Now I'm gonna introduce my code. So this code is called Weather Spy, and this is importing the library for LCD, setting LCD, setting buzzer, LED output here, and the system print out Weather Spy as the user interface. The starting for 1 second, and it start to loop. Read the light sensors data, and this is important because after testing, the maximum value of the light sensor is 783. So I map it to 15 stage from level 1 to level 15 and matching it to display as the data of the weather. So every state got its unbalanced, like 2 state for the sunny and 3 state for the downward level of the sunny day. This depends on what I test in the reality, and for the extreme bad day, I will also call the buzzer and blink the LED as well. And that's pretty much my code. Thanks. So today I'm going to test it in the natural lighting environment. So let's see the aisle first. It's from the start to the end, it's getting darker. So if I walk through this aisle, the data that's showing on the user interface will be changing. So we restart the program first. Weather Spy, which is my program name. So in this situation, it's sunny day LV2, which is the one of the worst situation. So it will the buzzer will bust and the LED will turning red to warn people. And if I getting into this aisle, we can see cloudy LV1, LV1 turning into LV2 because it's getting darker, and then LV3, then rainy LV1, and then after this, so the darkest situation here is the rainy LV1. But if I just simply cover a bit the light sensor, it will change to the rainy or stormy LV2, which is another worse situation here. So this program is actually working.